So with the Fed set to kick off its two-day policy meeting today, we've been taking a look at how stocks typically behave on Fed decision days, or at least Sara Eisen has been looking at it. And you have all the stats.
Stocks go up. That's the first thing you want to know. Stocks usually go up about 72% of the time. Now, with the help of Bespoke Investment Group, we looked at all the Fed days going back to 2007 when the Federal Reserve started easing. Take a look at how the market has done. S&P averaged a gain of 1.11%. Now, if you break that down, Scarlett, it gets a little bit more interesting. All the biggest gains came in the first half hour of trading. The biggest losses came in the last hour of trading. Now, ending in the green for stocks on Fed Day makes sense usually because we've seen this easy monetary policy, record low borrowing costs. That's generally bullish for companies. It's bullish for stocks, and it shouldn't change tomorrow. Of all the economists we polled here at Bloomberg, nobody's expecting the Federal Reserve to lift interest rates. And of the economists that I spoke to, nobody's expecting any real major changes in language from the Federal Reserve, especially from Fed Chief Ben Bernanke, who faces his confirmation next week. So no major fireworks expected. Could see another day of green arrows for the stock market.
All right, so stocks up. Now, you always look at the dollar effect, the currency angle here. What about the dollar on Fed days?
Dollar usually falls, moving in the opposite direction as stocks. Now, the average loss on the dollar is 0.4%, 0.4%, and that's pretty substantial because if you look at the moves of the currency market, usually we don't get a move past 0.25%. So 0.4% is a big move lower, and that makes sense because Fed policy usually holds the dollar back. It has been holding the dollar back for the past year, and that is easy monetary policy, makes it very cheap to borrow in dollars, making the dollar a sell here. So dollar down, stocks up on Fed days. Looks like you can pretty much count on that for a while now. I know Adam and John were talking about Fed funds futures really showing some changes in the last few weeks. The market, in fact, has eliminated all chances of a Fed rate hike in June. And 3 weeks ago, Scarlett, the chances of a rate hike in June were 78%. So we've wiped that out in the last few weeks. So it looks like you can count on this easy monetary policy for longer, which may be positive for stocks, negative for the dollar.
Beyond just the first half of 2010. All right,
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Sara Eisen, on stocks and the dollar on Fed Day.